asuntoskeittiö Lentävänniemi.
Today is the 30th of September 2021, and you can see that there's stairs to another floor downstairs to the real basement floor, but this elevator doesn't go down there, probably not. The capacity is 4 persons, 320 grams. We have Männistönkuja 3 staircase G. This is the last staircase in this procedure building. And it's also in Lentävänniemi, one of the suburbs of Tampere, to which one the light rail line is being extended to by 2024 with 8 floors. It will be inspected in 2023, and it was also put in 1971, turning 50 years older this year, in 2021. The serial number is H25103, 8 floors. That's right. It's also the tallest staircase here, since it has 9 floors.
Yeah.
And all the other ones, the staircases A, B, C, D, and E have 7 floors. But D has also a basement floor.
Yeah.
Even though there's only 7. And then staircase F, just like this one, second to last one, also has 8 floors.
Mm.
But this is basically the best staircase. It just has 9 floors in total.
Yeah.
Even though the elevator only goes 8 floors of it. But it's really weird.
Yeah.
And then also here you can see these windows that give more privacy. That's actually in the stakes C and F as well, so the 3 last ones got these windows.
Yeah.
And of course, if you missed it, you can watch the staircase C where there's the glitch on the elevator from the ground floor that makes it go up half a floor when you press the button when it's on that floor.
Yeah. Inspekteringspakkevæs, der med den fra Kone.
To the street level.
That's